Winter Driving 101 Essential Tips for Safe and Confident Travel. Remember that time you saw a car become a majestic ice dancer on the highway? Yeah, not the kind of viral moment you're going for, right? Let's face it. Winter driving can be a white-knuckled adventure, but fear not, intrepid explorers. Today, Car Computer Exchange, your pit crew for all things automotive, is dropping 10 essential tips to transform you from a nervous newbie to a confident captain of the snowy roads. So buckle up, Buttercup, because this ain't your grandma's driving lesson. Forget the snooze fest of don't speed and wear a seatbelt. Although seriously, do both. We're talking actionable advice delivered with a dash of humor and a sprinkle of relatable realness. Because, let's be honest, who wants boring when you can have informative and entertaining? Whether you're a seasoned snow bunny or a fresh powder pup, this video has something for you. We'll cover everything from prepping your car like a boss to mastering those slippery turns like a pro. No more spinning out like a confused ballerina on ice. Ready to ditch the white-knuckle ride and embrace the confident cruise? Hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and get ready to conquer winter driving like a champion. Let's go. Let's face it. The mere mention of winter driving can send shivers down the spine of even the most seasoned motorist. Visions of spinning tires, white-knuckled grips, and questionable dance moves on ice, courtesy of your car, not you, hopefully, might flash before your eyes. But fear not, intrepid explorers. Today, we're ditching the fear and embracing the confident winter warrior within. Buckle up, Buttercup, because Car Computer Exchange, your pit crew for all things automotive, is dropping some serious knowledge bombs to transform your snowy commutes from white-knuckled whiteouts to smooth-controlled cruises. Before you brave the blizzard, gear up like a boss. Don't think your trusty summer tires will magically morph into ice magnets just because it snowed. Invest in proper winter tires with deeper treads and softer compounds for superior grip. Pack an emergency kit like you're prepping for a zombie apocalypse. Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but be prepared. Think jumper cables, a flashlight, a blanket, and some snacks, because hangry drivers make bad decisions. And for the love of all that is holy, clear all the snow off your car. You'd be surprised how many people forget the hood and roof, turning their vehicles into mobile snowplows. Not a good look. Master the gentle touch. Remember that time you tried to impress your crush with a burnout? Yeah, not the move on snow. Avoid spinning your wheels because all you'll achieve is digging yourself a deeper hole, literally. Accelerate and decelerate smoothly, even if your inner race car driver screams otherwise. Think of yourself as a ballerina, gliding gracefully across the ice. Okay, maybe not that gracefully, but you get the point. Slow and steady wins the race. Literally. Forget about pushing the speed limit. In winter, slower is safer. Adjust your speed based on the conditions. If it looks like a penguin convention on the road, dial it back even further. Avoid sudden maneuvers like sharp turns and last-minute lane changes. Remember, physics doesn't care about your need to be somewhere 5 minutes ago. Be seen, be safe. Don't rely on just your daytime running lights. In winter's gloomy embrace, keep your headlights on auto so they automatically light up when needed. This makes you more visible to other drivers, reducing the risk of becoming a frosty hood ornament. Communicate like a pro. Just because you know you're turning doesn't mean everyone else does. Use your turn signals consistently, even on familiar roads. It's not mind-reading, people. Think of it as sending friendly winter driving telegrams, letting everyone know your next move. Alright, snow bunnies and powder pups, halfway through this winter driving masterclass. Still with me? Or have you already transformed into a majestic ice dancer, making pirouettes in your driveway? Don't worry, no shame in admitting you need a refresher on mastering those slippery turns. Hit that like button if you're still clinging to the steering wheel with all your might, and comment below if you've already traded your car for a sled and embraced the full-blown frosty fun. Eyes on the prize, and everything else. Don't get tunnel vision on the road ahead. Be mindful of your surroundings. Check your mirrors frequently. Scan for fellow drivers, both cautious and, well, less so. And keep an eye out for pedestrians bundled up like fluffy marshmallows. Give them extra space. They're probably slow-moving and adorable. Remember, Leave ample space for braking, because on slick roads, your trusty chariot won't stop on a dime. Unless it's a magic dime, in which case, please share. The gentle fade. Think slamming on the brakes is the quickest way to stop? Think again. In Winter Wonderland, gradual braking is your BFF. Imagine yourself as a feather gently floating down, not a meteor hurtling towards Earth. This gives you more control and prevents those heart-stopping skids that look cool in movies but feel terrifying in real life, especially crucial before turns, where abrupt stops can turn you into an unwanted ice dancer. Remember, we already covered graceful gliding. Turn like a pro, not a pinball. Here's the golden rule of winter turns. Slow down significantly before you even think about making that move. Picture yourself approaching a corner like a cautious cat stalking its prey, not a runaway shopping cart. And forget about accelerating mid-turn. That's a recipe for disaster and some serious embarrassment. Think smooth, controlled movements, like a seasoned skier carving down a snowy slope, minus the poles and questionable neon outfit. Know your beast safely, of course. Your car might seem like a familiar friend, but winter throws a curveball, literally. It's crucial to understand how your vehicle handles in snowy conditions. Find an empty parking lot away from curious penguins and startled snowmen, and practice maneuvers like turns and skids in a safe, controlled environment. This way, when you encounter the real deal on the road, you won't be caught off guard. Think of it as pre-gaming for the Winter Driving Olympics, minus the gold medals and awkward interviews. Adapt and conquer. Winter roads are like snowflakes. No two are exactly alike. Be prepared to adjust your driving based on the conditions. Black ice? Slow down to a crawl. Heavy snowfall? Increase your following distance. And learn from the mistakes of others. Safely, from a distance, of course. See someone stuck in a snowdrift? Figure out what went wrong and avoid repeating their icy faux pas. Remember, knowledge is power, and in winter driving it's the power to stay upright and mobile. And there you have it, snow warriors. You're now equipped with the knowledge to navigate winter roads like a seasoned pro, leaving those white-knuckled whiteouts in your dust, or should I say snowdrift. Remember, winter driving doesn't have to be a terrifying ballet on ice. With the right preparation, awareness, and a sprinkle of these epic tips, you can cruise through the season with confidence, and maybe even a touch of swagger. But hey, the journey doesn't stop here. We've got a treasure trove of automotive wisdom waiting for you at Car Computer Exchange. So if you're hungry for more car care hacks, DIY projects, and maybe even a few more winter driving fails to remind you you're not alone, promise, hit that subscribe button like it's the hot cocoa you desperately need after battling the blizzard. Let's conquer the roads, one snowy adventure at a time. And hey, if you have any winter driving wisdom of your own, drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from our fellow car enthusiasts. Happy and safe travels.